What's up, everybody? Bluegabe here, South Carolina. Early season deer hunt. I'm in board shorts, no shoes, t-shirt. Got my rifle. We're fixing to bust us a doe, buck. We don't care. We're going meat hunting. Looks good to me. Alright, y'all, we got a bunch of deer coming into the field. I don't know if I'll be able to get the shot on camera though, because it's getting dark. It's plenty of light for me to see, but I don't know about the camera. A big mature doe just walked out. We're here to get meat. We're not here hunting for horns. I've got 2 right over here and 5 in front of me. We'll see. Two deer. He just shot one. I just piled one up. All right, y'all. We came to get some deer meat. First afternoon. Board shorts, no shoes. My new camo. We're gonna drag this doe out of here. We'll see y'all back at the house. Oh, goodness gracious! What a bite! As I'm talking trash about you using the spook. You just kicked Redneck in. Yo, look at that bass. Redneck, you're supposed to stay on the dock. That's gonna make for some funny footage. Nice bass. You want to eat this one? Yeah. I guess we're having bass, dove, deer meat, hopefully some bluegills. We're gonna have a buffet for lunch. You realize that you got to get in the truck, right? That's not a good dog. Why are you so dirty? Come here. Tell everybody that you're dirty because you like fishing. You little rugrat. Oh, now we're cooking with peanut oil. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Got him. Huge one. Huge one. Do you think every fish is yours? No. Skedaddle.
You want him? Here, you want him? Y'all, that dog thinks everything belongs to him. He's as spoiled as my kids. Let's try that again. I'm getting hungry, so y'all better stay tuned. Y'all gotta check this out right here. Check this out. How can we help you? Look how neat that is. You get one?
Not yet.
Oh yeah, I got that bite on camera. Like, Redneck, your behavior on this trip has been unacceptable. Y'all leave a comment below if your dog likes fishing as much as mine. And I don't even think he likes fishing. He just likes killing the fish. Then he don't even go back to it. What was that? A bass? Put that joker in the truck. Let's eat him. Oh, he tricked you. Redneck, you're riding in the back of the truck on the way home. One more fish and we're going to cook. And we're fixing to throw down in the South Carolina swamp, y'all. Like throw down. Like I'm about to throw down on the grill and in the fryer. And I don't even know what else, but I'm throwing down. I got the CanCooker seasoning. I got some grease, went to Walmart, bought a bunch of stuff, and we're gonna cook. I think I'm most excited for the dove wrapped in bacon. If you want, leave me a comment below which you're most excited for. The bass, the bluegill, the dove wrapped in bacon, or the deer meat backstrap. Come on, I decided I'm just gonna be a cameraman.
You're better at that.
I'm better than that. Let me, hold on, hand me your hook. Let me show everybody what we're working with. Did you get the smallest cricket in the basket or what? We're after big fish. Foaming over there on them. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna be a bite. Oh yeah. Oh, he done tried you. He tried to eat the bobber. All right, here he comes. Last bait. Last bait, and we're going to cook. Let's see how long it takes. Got him. Oh, it's a good one too. It's a good one. Dangle it out here in front of Redneck. Let's see if he'll go swimming. Get it, Redneck. Get it, Redneck. Get it, Redneck. Redneck, there's frogs in here that might be big enough to eat you. Time to go cook. I've had enough. We've caught some fish. Fixing to go do work. You ready?
Let's go.
All right, y'all, we're done fishing. We're gonna clean these dove, clean the bass, clean the bluegill, cut up the deer meat, and put them on the grill. So we're gonna let him show us how to clean one.
All right, y'all, you don't need a knife. You don't need scissors. I see people all the time doing, they've got knives, scissors, shears, all kinds of stuff. All you need to do is take your two thumbs on the breast and pull apart from each other. And when you do, the breast is gonna come out like that. You don't need to cut this out, anything like that. Just take your hand right there on the bottom of the breast, grab the bird, and pull it out.
Bam!
There you go. And that's it.
That joker's gonna taste something good wrapped in bacon. All right, you feel it necessary to introduce yourself now?
My name's Spencer Lynch.
Are you Captain Spencer
Captain
Lynch?
Spencer Lynch, that's right. There you go.
So the reason we're up here was to kill a couple deer, kill a couple doves, but we're going red fishing tomorrow in Georgetown. Yeah, Redneck, make sure you roll around in a little bit more dirt. You old filthy dog. All right, while he's cleaning that dove, I'm gonna clean this bass real quick with my little silver stag pocket knife. You don't need a big fillet knife all the time. Look at that. Now I know a bunch of you bass fishermen out there get your feelings hurt when we eat bass, but you know what? That's a little private pond out in the middle of South Carolina. You gotta take bass out of a pond sometimes. That's why a lot of ponds, everybody rants and raves how big the crappie are in Lake Okeechobee. That's because we catch so many of them and remove them, we get big ones. You let any species of fish overpopulate and they're gonna stay small. They can't get big because there's not enough food for them all. That's your fun fact of the week, y'all. All right, now most of my videos, I try to do a happy medium. I try to show you about 5 minutes of what I was catching, about 5 minutes of, you know, the cleaning and a little bit of talking, and about 5 minutes of cooking. Hey, we had a little bit of obstacles this morning in the dove hunt, no big deal. We came out here, we didn't catch the most fish, no big deal. I'm about to throw it down and show y'all 3 different styles of cooking here though, and stretch this video out, and hopefully y'all enjoy. Just take the scales off of him. My first video on YouTube was a bluegill video, and they never get old. Now, I don't know if South Carolina's got the bluegills we got, though. They say they're out there, but I don't know. Y'all got big ones? Big copperheads?
Big ones. Real big ones.
All right, I'm going to take his head off, the guts out. Go over there and I'll see you at the grill. All right, I told y'all I wasn't going to hold back on the cooking part. This is how we do our corn. Take a piece of butter, slice it, a little bit of the CanCooker butter garlic. Stuff adds great flavor. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. Roll it up. Oops, some just fell out the bottom. Do that to all 4, and I'll show you how to cook the deer meat. All right, so this fish, I got some pre-made Zatarain's fish fry, but I still season it a little bit just because, hey, I like a seasoned fish. I don't go crazy. A bit of the buttered garlic. I wish I had some of my Creole, CanCooker Creole, but I don't. I'm just take it all and put it in a bag. I like using a bag when I'm out in the woods. It's just that much easier. Throw it away when you're done. Ow! I just got stuck. All right, let me deal with the, stay right there. Let me get the dove. So I was gonna put bacon around the dove meat, but on the grill it's just too hard. It'll flame up, so we're just gonna do it plain. Nothing crazy. Just grilled dove breast. And these don't take long because you don't want to overcook them. The more you cook them, the more they taste like liver. And I'm not a big fan of liver. Guess what we're going to use? A little bit of the butter garlic. Let's throw these on the grill. Man, that grill's hot. Alright, I got just a little piece of the back strap. I'm going to cut it up thin and fry it. I love fried deer meat. I mean, love it. But I like it paper thin when I'm frying it. Unless I know it's going to be a really, really tender piece of meat, I cut it paper thin. Not that much. Alright, we'll see y'all back on the grill. Alright, the dove are cooking. Let's get to cooking some fish. I bet you that bluegill 20 minutes ago didn't know he'd be swimming in there. What y'all think?
Yeah, probably not.
He probably wouldn't have ate that cricket. You know one thing we need is spatula or tongs or something. Right there. Woo! The dove are almost done already. Look at that. They don't take long to cook them. Them things are going to be good. Heck, they're probably going to be just as good without the bacon that I wanted to put on them. Alright, so I had an epiphany. I was wondering how I could get barbecue sauce, some Sweet Baby Ray on these dove without making too big of a mess. So we're going to do a little shake and toss. I filled this bag about quarter way full of barbecue sauce. Once the dove were cooked about 3/4 of the way. Gosh, I can tell y'all these are going to be good. Now we just lay them back on the grill. Oh, look at that. Close the lid and let them cook for about another minute. Flip the fish. Show them what that fish looks like. See if they can smell it. This first batch of fish is done. They say they like eating bass up here, so bass is what they're getting. A little bit of bluegill. Look at that. Now here's the cool part. The first round is all done, and so are the dough. I am ready to eat. By the time these are cooled down enough to eat, we'll be able to eat everything. No, don't put me in there. That's so sad. Look at that. That corn looks as good as any of it. All right, let's say the blessing real quick. All right, dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you once again for new friends. Thanks for all the good support you give me, and thank you for dying on the cross and forgive us of our sins. Amen. You're a dove connoisseur, aren't you? You eat it all the time?
Mm-hmm. Pretty good. Pretty good. I've never had it that way, but that's really good.
What do you think?
I like it. It's a different way to eat it, but I do like it.
I almost cooked it too much, and I didn't cook it very long. What do you think? Y'all ever lose food in those beards? Like, find something later on at night? Oh, there's a little trick.
Mine ain't big enough.
I can't even grow one, so I can't say much. Let me see one of them things. Y'all check out that new hat. Everything for my hats is in the link description below. This chick makes some seriously cool hats, and if you use promo code Bluegabe, you save 10%, so we all win. I had to give her a shout out because I love them. I got one for like every day, and I'm not going to stop wearing them. All right, let me get to eating. That's pretty good. All right, y'all, that was an insane lunch. Andrew, did you like it?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow morning, we'll be in Georgetown, South Carolina. Big shout out to Captain Spencer Lynch. That's who took us deer hunting. That's who's taking us red fishing tomorrow. And that's who took us fishing today. Big shout out to Redneck. Redneck, you're sleeping in Dustin's bed tonight. No way. Yes way. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the support. Hey, until next time, every good story's got to have an ending. And right now, we're out of here. Y'all look at Redneck. Dustin's shooting doves, and Redneck is convinced there's a squirrel at that pole. He is 100% convinced there's a squirrel at that pole. Oh, that was a close one.